Hey guys, SammyT1520 here. Today I'm unboxing my new Parrot AR Drone 2.0. I got the refurbished version, so it was returned to the manufacturer, which is Parrot, and they had to fix it up for whatever reason, but it should be back to factory quality. So I am going to speed up this unboxing. Okay, so it says, please do not return to AR Drone retailer, return to Parrot themselves. Alright, so this looks like the charger. The indoor hull for flying inside. And here is the actual drone itself, 4 blades. Looks like it's in pretty good condition for refurbished. That aside. The outdoor hull so that you can be more agile when you're outdoors. I think these are stickers. Open these up. Some sort of adhesive. And these are green and orange stripes. The manual, put that to the side. Here's the battery, a small battery, it's good. Different types of chargers that I have, not chargers, wall outlets. Never seen anything like these except for this one. But it seems like it is a pretty good setup. So I will charge the battery up and then I'll come back to you and show you some flight of the drone.